Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect broker to MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device and make sure you're on the main screen. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner and tap on the 3-line menu to open the main navigation panel. From the menu, look for the Manage Accounts option and tap on it. This section allows you to view accounts that are already connected to MetaTrader 5 as well as add a new trading account. Now, look toward the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to add another account. You'll then see an option to search for your broker or trading company. Use the search field to enter the name of your broker. For example, if you're connecting an FTMO account, simply type FTMO into the search bar. MetaTrader 5 will then display the matching broker or server options. Once you find the correct broker, tap on it to continue. At this point, MetaTrader 5 will ask you to enter the login details associated with your trading account. Enter your account number or login ID, followed by the password provided by your broker or prop firm. Also, make sure you've selected the correct server if multiple server options are displayed. After entering everything, carefully check your credentials to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Then, tap Login to connect the account. Once connected, you'll be able to access the account directly from the app. You can then switch between your connected accounts whenever you need to. Just return to the Manage Accounts section and select the account you want to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect broker to MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video.